Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gladys Tech. Today I'll be showing you how to post live on TikTok. For you to post live on TikTok, this is what you have to do. But before then, please do not forget to like, subscribe, share and leave a comment. Okay, for you to post live on TikTok, you have to have an updated TikTok app. Tap on the plus icon at the front of your screen. There's a plus icon below the screen. Type on it. Tap on live after camera. Before camera, tap on go live. Below the screen of the live, you'll see an option called an icon called more. Tap on it. Then the fourth feature there says post live. Tap on it. So guys, that's it on how to post live on TikTok. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, subscribe, share and leave a comment.